Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Abhijna Law Series. In this video, I will be showing the procedure to install Unacademy app from your mobile and also inform you about how to view my free live classes on Unacademy app. On 17th September 2021 at 3 p.m, I will be taking classes on style and language of judgment writing. In this week, I will be taking lectures on writing civil and criminal judgment, common phrases used in judgment writing, marshalling and appreciation of evidence, etc. So, do not miss out my free live classes at 3 p.m. daily, where I can also interact with all of you using amazing features of Unacademy app. Check out the link to my profile in this video's description and follow me so that you get regular notifications of my classes, and also check out the link to the description of tomorrow's classes, and have also given the link of my Telegram channel where you can join, and you will find the notifications or whatever material which I will be sending to all my students. Let me show you how to use Unacademy app. Today I will be showing how to download Unacademy app from Play Store website. So first click on the Play Store button, type Unacademy. Here you get Unacademy Learner app, click on that, click on Install button, click on Open button once installation is completed. This will lead you to Unacademy app. Click on Get Started. Here you have to create your account and register yourself with your mobile number. So first you have to give the full name, state of residence and some other details. So after that you get an OTP. You have to verify your mobile number with that OTP, and then your account is created. Okay, let's do this process. Once verification is done, this will lead you to a home screen where what are you preparing for. Okay, here there are two options. If you are preparing for class 6 to 12, then click proceed on that, or if you are preparing for competitive test preparation, you have to click proceed on this tab. So I am clicking on competitive test preparation. Okay, see here various types of exams are there. You have to search, set up your goal, like what is your goal, which class you want to enroll for. Here you get judiciary exams and judiciary PCS, or you can type here judiciary. You will find the category there. Click on that. It will ask which language would you prefer to learn in. Click on English or any other language which you would prefer. I am clicking English here, then next. Let us wait for a while. Yes, here we get a tab where we can get a subscription of Unacademy, or else we can try Unacademy for free. Let me close this for a while. Okay, see here we got different recommendation regarding judiciary classes. In this home page, you get information regarding various classes and various educators. To view my video, click on search button and type Aparna Bhat. Here you can find Aparna Bhat. Click on that. You get a profile there. Here you have to follow me. Click on this follow button so that you get my class schedules or notifications. You can find my recorded classes here and also scheduled classes which are upcoming for tomorrow's or the coming days. This is how you can download the app and view my classes. For more updates, view my upcoming videos. Keep watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.